are you studying English? What's your main reason for studying English, Hari? First of all, I want to get a better job, and for the kind of employment I want, English is an important qualification. What kind of job do you want to qualify for? I want to be a software developer, but for that, I need to speak English more fluently. As a software developer, you get a chance to connect with people from different corners of the world. Yes, speaking English fluently is a big plus. I think your English sounds really good already. Thanks, Maria. What about you? Where are you studying it? Oh, I have a lot of reasons. Probably the most important one is my boyfriend. He's Canadian, and we're planning to live in Canada after we get married. Then you'll need English for everything, won't you? I guess so. That's exciting, Maria. You'll have a whole new life. Yes, that's right. I'm very thrilled about that.
It was a disaster. What did you do yesterday, Monica? I called you, but you didn't pick up the phone. Oh, yesterday was such an awful day for me. Why? What happened? I wanted to do something special for my husband's birthday, so I decided to surprise him when he got home from work. Really? So what did you have in mind? While he was at work, I was going to cook his favorite dinner, beef tenderloin steak and vegetables, and make a delicious strawberry cake. Then I was going to take him to a nice dance club. Well, it was getting quite late, and I just started the cake when I realized I had forgotten to buy strawberries. So I went to the corner shop to get some. But when I got back to the house, I just couldn't find my keys anywhere. I must have dropped them somewhere. Oh no! What a bad luck! So what did you do? I sat down on the doorstep and waited for my husband to come home from work and let me in. To make matters worse, it started to rain. Oh yes, the rain poured down in torrents yesterday. You poor thing. It was a disaster. When my husband came home from work, I was soaking wet from the rain. I told him what happened and said I was sorry about ruining his birthday. How did he react? He began laughing and said I'd gotten the day wrong. His birthday was in 2 days. You've got to be kidding.
Neighbor complaint. Hi, Paul. How's it going? I'm all right, thanks. And you? I'm fine, thanks. Listen, I've been meaning to talk to you about your children. Really? What about them? Over and over again, various balls fly over the fence into my backyard. Oh, yes, they're very active kids, full of energy. They play a lot in the backyard. Soccer, golf, tennis, basketball, you name it. It's just that, their balls damage our plants and flowers. It's a bit annoying. And at the same time, it's hard for us to relax when those balls keep flying over our heads. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, but, they mean no harm. They throw the balls into your yard by accident. They're just kids who love playing. We can't keep them inside. We're happy they're not in front of the computer. I'm sorry, but you're missing the point. I'm not saying you should keep them inside. Just teach them it's not right to disturb their neighbors and destroy their plants. And to be fair, they've kicked the ball quite close to our windows, too. I'd be grateful if you could have a word with them about it. Okay, I've got your point. I'll speak to them and tell them to be more careful from now on. Thanks, Paul. I really appreciate it. Have a good day now. Thanks. You too.
House cleaning service.
Now that you've seen the house, how much will you charge for its cleaning?
Well, this is a 3,000 square feet home, so it should take 3 hours to clean. My hourly rate is $50, so my fee is $150.
Good. I was expecting this price, actually. I think it's fair.
Do you want me to use your cleaning supplies or mine? I can come with my own sprays, vacuum cleaner, mop, window squeegee cleaner, sponges, brushes, and rags.
Oh, you can use my cleaning supplies. I have everything you need. You can find them in the laundry room.
And where is the laundry room?
It's on the first floor, near the fitness room.
Great. In this case, I usually offer a discount, so the final price is $130.
Wonderful. Thanks. What day will you be coming by?
It would be best for me if I could come on Friday or Saturday.
Oh, those days I'm so busy with work. What about Sunday?
No, I don't work on Sundays. Maybe Thursday?
That would be fine. I'll see you then. Take a break and help me. Sarah, please take a break from the computer and come to the kitchen to help me.
Take a break? But I've just started.
You've been on the computer for an hour already.
But I have a lot of work to do. I've got a geography project and the teacher told us to go online to do research.
Really? What's the project about?
The effects of global warming.
So why are you looking at pictures of jeans?
I was just taking a break, and I need some new jeans.
So why don't you close that window down and show me the geographical sites you're looking at?
Dad!
Come on, let's see what else you've got open. Oh, chatting with Gabriel on a social networking site. Well, that's useful.
Actually, it is. I'm asking him for ideas about the project. You can have a look if you don't believe me.
No thanks. That's your private life. And in any case, I believe you. But that doesn't mean I don't want you to take a break and come and help me.
What do you want help with anyway? Are you cooking something?
Well, I'm trying to make a cake for your mom's birthday. It's a surprise, so don't say anything.
What? But I thought you were going to buy one from the bakery.
Well, I changed my mind. I think your mom will appreciate it if we made the cake ourselves.
But Dad, neither of us knows how to make a cake. What if we screw it up and ruin Mom's birthday?
That will never happen. Together we can do it. Trust me. We're going to make a delicious cake with blueberries filling. Let's go. The worst vacation ever. Welcome back, John. How was your vacation to Jamaica? Don't ask. It was the worst vacation I've ever had. How come? What happened? So many things went wrong. Like what? Well, for a start, when we got to the airport, I realized I left my passport at home. We had to go back home and take it. So we missed our flight and had to sit in the airport for 6 hours before we could catch another flight. Oh no! How terrible! What happened next? Well, we caught the next flight, which was delayed, And then, to make matters worse, the airline lost my luggage. When it was finally returned to us after 3 days, personal items had been taken from our bags. My wife's entire makeup and jewelry box were also stolen. Oh dear, I'm so sorry to hear that. Surely things were a bit better when you got there. I wish. It rained almost every day, so we couldn't make the most of it. No one told us we were going in the rainy season, so it was pretty boring. What an absolute nightmare. Maybe you'll be luckier next time. I surely hope so.
Ordering pizza.
Good evening. This is the Crispy Crust Pizzeria. Can I take your order?
Hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Sure. What can we get for you?
We'd like a super pepperoni pizza, large, thin crust, with extra mozzarella cheese, and a small margarita.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes. Can I please have 4 garlic breads and 4 bottles of lemonade?
Okay. Will that be all?
Yes, that will be all.
All right. Can I have your name and address, please?
Mike Smith, 2840 West Armitage Avenue.
Okay. Your total is $33.25. And your pizza should be there in about an hour and a half.
An hour and a half? I don't think we can wait that long.
I'm afraid we're short of a few drivers tonight. The other option would be for you to pick up your order. It would be ready in 20 minutes.
Great. That sounds much better.
Dreams and goals. Hey, Chris. Would you like some icy cold, fresh squeezed lemonade?
Yes, it sounds delicious. Thanks, Emma.
You won't be disappointed. My lemonade is to die for.
Wow. This is so refreshing. It has such a wonderful flavor. Where did you get the lemons from?
I have a few lemon trees in my orchard.
If I'd known you had a lemonade stand, I would have stopped by here sooner.
Maybe you can help me spread the word.
Yes, you can count on it. How long have you had a drink stand for?
Only 2 months. My dream is to own a cafe, or probably a cozy restaurant where local bands and artists of all sorts can chill and showcase their talent, and where people can sit down and unwind. I love to cook. I could plan the menu and prepare the cuisine. People would come from everywhere just to enjoy my specialties.
That's a good goal to have. You seem very determined and hardworking, so I'm sure you'll make your dream come true one day.
Thanks. And working down here is also great for meeting new people. It is so much fun.
Well, I'm glad it worked out for you like that. I recently heard about a job training program that teaches food preparation and cooking skills. I don't remember all the details, but I could look into it for you.
That would be lovely, Chris. Thanks. I'm really interested in this program.
Great. I'll call you tomorrow and give you all the details.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.